Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English with Yasmin. Today's topic is simple but important because I'm going to share with you only one tip. If you follow this tip, I will show that your English will be changed. So I want you to watch this video all the way to the end and please pay attention. Okay, before I'm saying that, what's the tip? I want you I want you to remind yourself when you start learning English, you think like you have to first focus on grammar and then you have to listen and then in the end of the process you have to start speaking, and if you follow this method then you are wrong. In a wrong path. Yes, it is. Because as you know, when it's time to learn English, the four aspects that we have to follow is that reading, writing, speaking, and listening. So all those, all of this very important when it's time to learn English. But what we do is that we first try to consume grammar lesson. Like we are taking so much, like too much grammar, that we actually forget that we have to speak, and we kept dealing that part. Like, yes, when I feel like, yes, I'm better, and after that I will start speaking with a real people or maybe for any AI. But we start keep dealing like, yes, this is the last part. But let me tell you, speaking is the first part when it's time to learn any language. When you first start taking lesson on grammar, you have to start speaking at the same time. But we think as the same process. I know sometimes we never accept the truth because we feel like it's a harsh reality, I would say, like that. For example, if I talk about, like, if you want to be fit, then you have to eat healthy food, you have to exercise. But without doing this, you just go on YouTube or any social media, then you search it how to fit without doing anything. Like, it's a crazy thing, without doing anything, how could you say like you are going to be fit or maybe healthy? Just like that, if you want to be diet, like you just want to lose your weight, and then you have to exercise, you have to take some classes and then how to lose your weight, just like that. And what we do is that we are searching on YouTube in a shortcut. Is there any shortcut without doing any exercise, and we just get the opportunity and we just get the result? It's not happen. But we still searching everywhere, not for anything but also in English language. We always searching. Even in my most of my video, I try to share with you some tips, techniques, and method that you can follow, because where that I provide you in a small step, that doesn't make you feel overwhelming. You are searching on YouTube how to learn English in just 1 week. Is this a joke? In 1 week you can learn English, a language, not a subject, a language. So why are you keep searching on YouTube or any social media that how to learn English without start speaking, only just listening, watching and reading? Look, I'm not saying anything, and my intention is not to hurt you, but the thing is, you keep dealing the, you won't accept the fact. Like, what's the thing? You have to take your time, you have to get out of your comfort zone. For example, look, for watching. If I talk about watching, you are watching any movies, any content in English lying down bed. For listening, you are listening any podcast when you are doing any house chores, or you are traveling. You can do the both, like killing two birds in with one stone, like that. But when it's time to speak, you have to be ready. Why is that? Look, if you are trying to speak with yourself, it's mean you can question yourself, and then you take so many time, like too many time, I would say, then you can answer it. But if I talk about a real people, then like one-on conversations, then what's happened? Like you ask that person, in return the person will be asked to with you, like in any questions, and you have to be prepared to answer it, and you have to think in a second, like that. You will just need it, take like, let me think for a second, like that. So it's mean you have to go deeper. Accept all those things you can do. You can watching anywhere, anytime. You can listen anything, anywhere. You're traveling, you are going to college, you're going to school, whatever, maybe you can do this. But speaking, you have to be listen that, that person that you are talking, and then you have to ask question, you have to answer that question, like that. And also that we also keep dealing is that writing. Yes, I, in this video, in the beginning time, I say that I will share you only one tip that gonna change your English. That was the speaking. Because we think like it's not a good time, it's not a right time. It's I have to take more lesson, and then I will speak, and then days slips into month, and month slips into year, and we never try to speak. And that's why we get stuck when it's time to speak. I hope you understand, and I hope this video will help you to understand what exactly holds you back for your English journey. And don't try to search on YouTube and any social media any shortcut, because there is no shortcut for your success. You have to pay your hard work, right? Don't try to searching another like just 1 month. Yes, you can watch those video, will give you like a map, like you can follow, like first week you can follow this method, second week you can follow this method. But not just too much consume those videos, just like you, if you follow this 1 month, then your English will be fluent. Not at all. Please don't do this. I experienced those things. Please, there is no shortcut. It takes time and also your consistency, not just you are learning small. Because you know what? We people think like small isn't a progress, isn't a success. But trust me, small things keeps you the achievement that you never imagine. So that's all for today. I hope this video will help you for your English. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with someone who is also learning English. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.